Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to complete our lesson, which is states of matter. Let us make a small experiment in order to show that the free surface of water at rest is plane and horizontal. In this experiment, we are going to take a bottle filled with colored water, a set square. One side of the set square is parallel to the plumb line. This is the plumb line. And the other side of the set square is perpendicular to the plumb line. Thus, this side shows the vertical direction and this side shows the horizontal direction. Now, we are going to move the set square, downwards in order to reach the level of water. So let's move the set square. We can observe that the level of water and the set square are at the same level. Thus, the water inside the bottle, the level of water inside the bottle is plane and horizontal as you see in this figure. Now, let us incline the bottle a little bit and then mark the level of water. As you see, also the level of water is horizontal. Incline the bottle on the other side. Also, the level of water remains plane and horizontal. Thus, we can conclude that the free surface of liquids at rest is plane and horizontal. Now let us talk about communicating vessels. Communicating vessels are vessels connected to each other by means of a tube. As you see in this figure, we have three vessels connected to each other by a tube. Let's try to fill the first vessel with colored water. As you observe, the water will fill all the other vessels. So here is a conclusion. All the vessels were filled with water at the same level. All of them have the same level of water. Now let us try to fill the second vessel with water. As you see with me, also all the vessels will be filled with water and at the same level. Now let us try to fill the last vessel with water. Also, all the vessels were being filled at the same level with water. Let's take a small example. Here we have a communicating vessel made up of 4 vessels connected to each other by a tube, but here the tube is closed. If you tried to open the tube, we can observe that the water will fall down from the first vessel and will fill all the other vessels. And as you can observe, all the vessels have the same level. Let's use the set square in order to know the direction of water. Here, as you see, the level of water is horizontal. Thus, we conclude that in a communicating vessel, all the vessels will occupy the same level of water, and this level of water or liquid is always plane and horizontal. Here is a small summary for our lesson. So matter, as we have taken, is everything around us which has mass and volume. Matter can be classified into 4 different states, which are solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, and the 4th state is plasma. Solids have definite shape, definite volume, and can be held by fingers, while liquids have indefinite shape, definite volume, cannot be held by fingers, and they are fluids, which means can flow. The gases, we are going to take their properties in another lesson. And the fourth state, which is plasma. An example on the presence of plasma is lightning. For here we reach the end of our session for today. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.